Hi guys, in today's video, I am showing you how to create slow-mo videos in CapCut. The process is really simple and easy. The first thing is open your CapCut application, and the next thing is import your video in the CapCut. And if you don't know how to import, then tap on this option Import. You can find this option after tapping on this media. After importing your media, drag it to the editing section, and after doing all of these. Now let's get started to create slow-mo video. As you can see, the duration of video is totally 8 seconds, and after we will add slow-mo, the length of the video will be longer than this. So first step, tap on your video and take a look on the right top. Here you can find few options: video, speed, animation. From these options, tap on the option speed. Now here is the speed. You can arrange it and make it slower as per your need. Just for example, I will take this line to 0.5 seconds. Now the video is slower and you can see the length of the video is 16 seconds, means double than the previous one. Because I take this line to 0.5 second, and if you want to make it more slower, then take this line again on the left side. And you can see now the length of the video is 26 seconds. And before playing your video, tap on this option, Smooth Slow-Mo. And now it start processing smooth. If the length of your video is more than mine, then this process will take more time. Smooth slow-mo will help to add slow-mo effect more smoothly and perfectly. And once the processing will be completed, I will show you how the slow-mo effect actually look like. Now the smooth slow-mo effect has been applied. Let's have a look. And as you can see by using this method, you can slow-mo your video perfectly and accurately.